We all love that burst of motivation, the rush of excitement to start something new. It's that initial spark that gets us off the couch and into action. Whether it's starting a new workout routine, diving into a fresh project, or opening a book to study, motivation feels like a powerful force. It's the adrenaline that makes us believe we can conquer anything. But here's the thing about motivation. It's fleeting. It comes and goes like waves, and if we rely solely on it, we might find ourselves stranded when it fades away. But here's the catch: motivation fades. One moment you're pumped up, and the next, you're struggling to find the energy to even start. We've all been there, sitting idle, staring at a blank notebook, or feeling unmotivated. It's in these moments that the true test begins. What separates those who succeed from those who don't isn't the constant presence of motivation, but something much more reliable. Winners don't rely on motivation, they rely on discipline. Discipline is the backbone of success. It's what keeps athletes training hard, business professionals working diligently, and students studying late into the night. Discipline is about creating habits and sticking to them, even when the initial excitement is worn off. It's about showing up every day no matter how you feel. Even on the days they don't feel like it, they show up, they do the work. They understand that progress is made through consistent effort, not sporadic bursts of energy. It's the early morning workouts, the late night study sessions, and the long hours at the computer that build success. It's about pushing through the resistance and doing what needs to be done, regardless of how motivated you feel at the moment. Because they know that success isn't about feeling motivated all the time, it's about taking action consistently. It's the small daily actions that accumulate over time and lead to big results. Successful professionals, athletes, and students understand this. They celebrate their victories not because they were always motivated, but because they were disciplined enough to keep going, even when it was tough. So, don't wait for motivation. Don't sit around hoping for that perfect moment when you feel ready. Start now, and let your progress fuel you to keep going. Lace up your running shoes, open your laptop, set up your study space, and take that first step. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and each step you take builds momentum. Start now and let your progress fuel you to keep going. Discipline beats motivation. As you make progress, you'll find that it becomes easier to keep going. Each completed task, each finished workout, and each passed exam will give you the confidence and drive to continue. Remember, it's not about waiting for the right moment, it's about creating it through consistent action. Subscribe for more success strategies. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies on how to stay disciplined and achieve your goals. Join our community of motivated individuals who are committed to taking action and making their dreams a reality.